Hello lovely people of the internet, welcome back to my channel and to another Vintage Tips and Tricks video. Today I have been requested to do an autumn winter staple wardrobe video. It's kind of fun. I haven't done a staple wardrobe video in a while, and as usual I do like to encourage people to rewear and reuse their clothes, that old make do and mend reuse mentality of the 1940s. So I'm going to pick a selection of pieces that I can mix and match rather than a lot of different things, just like the core pieces that I can wear over and over again that will work with each other and that can make multiple different outfits. So let's get into it.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
For my staple pieces, I have selected a combination of things that I just wear all the time, including a coat, a dress, some knitwear. I love 1940s slacks and pencil skirts, and I love me some accessories. So I've included a hat, beret, and a scarf, and of course a couple of pairs of shoes, just to make sure I have enough to mix and match. I have indeed gone for Christmas colors. I'm ready to look like this, but of course go with your personal preferences. I've created 3 different outfits around 3 different base pieces, starting with this gorgeous red dress. I've begun by pairing it with these brown shoes with some red accents. Then I've popped on this red 1950s style sweater girl knit that I absolutely love, and this is going to be an all red outfit because why not? A lady in red, go for it. So I added my red hat. For the second outfit, I've again paired these shoes, but I'm adding a green sweater for that ultimate Christmas vibe. Then a tartan scarf, which I'm wrapping in a very 50s style around my head. Again, pairing those shoes with the dress, I'm popping on my wool coat with a lovely tartan lining, popping that scarf on again, but this time in a slightly different way around my neck, and popping on a classic beret because I want to be a French cliche. The next base piece is this tartan skirt that I made recently from a 1950s pattern. There is a video for this, so I will link that up above if you're interested in how I made it. So I've paired it with the same shoes, but I'm popping on the tartan scarf because you can never have enough tartan, guys. My red hat, and I love the vibes of this. It's got a bit of a noir vibe, but make it Christmas. Now I've popped on my 50s style winter boots. I'm wearing the scarf around my head again, and I'm popping on my jacket, which I didn't realize until now has a lining that matches the skirt I made. I've kept the boots on, but this time I'm wearing the scarf in a knot around my neck, which can be left on with the jacket off, and I've popped that beret on again. I love berets, I'm completely obsessed with them. The last base piece is a pair of 1940s slacks. Most reproduction brands sell some sort of variation on these trousers. I've kept my winter boots on, I'm popping my jacket back on with my beret, and I've got the collar popped and I'm popping the scarf outside the collar for a 1930s masculine vibe. There are so many ways that one can wear a scarf, and one of my favorites is as a turban. Last but not least, I've gone back to the brown heels. I'm popping on my wool hat, and I'm wearing my scarf in a much more chic, femme fatale way. So that is the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below to let me know what you thought of the video and any suggestions for future videos. Today's video was a suggestion, so I do read the comments and I do make the videos, so I would love to hear what you want to see. You can always check out my Patreon, it's linked down below. Thank you as always to the wonderful patrons who are already supporting my content. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me, and you're just the most beautiful bunch of people. I love engaging with you so much. You can of course come and follow me on my Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in next week's video. Bye.